Hey there YouTube, welcome to my next video. Today I'm going to be playing with my remote control car, and we're going to see if it will survive this step. I'm going to make it go over the edge. So with that being said, let's get this done. Get her done. Dang. Nice. Well, that was the first one. Let me try it backwards. Let me try doing it backwards. Dang. It's stuck. All right, let's do it one more time. Oh, dang! That was the best stunt yet. I think the battery's draining. Yeah, I think the battery's draining. It's going a little faster. Alright guys, that about does it. I'm gonna shut this video down because my battery's dead on this thing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more videos like this. Hope you enjoyed. And I will see you guys on the next video. And this is probably the last video I will make tonight, for sure. And I've been making a lot of videos today. So I will see you guys on next video. Maybe tomorrow. Alright. Peace.